Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn on the LED flash for notifications on iPhone and how to enable the new screen flash option so your display lights up when you get an alert. Let's get started. On your iPhone, open Settings, scroll down a bit and tap on Accessibility. In the Accessibility menu, look for the Hearing section and tap on Audio and Visual. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. You will see an option called Flash for Alerts. Tap on that. Here is where things looks different if you have updated to iOS 26.2. Toggle the main switch on for Flash for Alerts. Once that is on, you will see three choices. LED flash, this is the standard setting that flashes the camera light on the back. Screen, this is the new feature. It causes your entire front display to flash for once when you get a notification. Both, if you want maximum visibility, select this to have both the front screen and back LED flash simultaneously. Below that, don't forget these two important toggles. Flash while unlocked. I usually keep this off because if I am already looking at my phone, I don't need it to flash at me. But turn it on if you want the visual cue even when using the phone. Flash in silent mode. I highly recommend turning this on. This ensures that even if your ringer switch is muted, you still get that visual flash alert. Now that you have made the changes, whenever you get a notification or call, this is how you see the flash alert on the back. In case you have also turned on screen, then your front screen will show bright light once. This is useful when you have turned off always on display, and both in case you have selected both options in the settings. And that's it. Now whether your phone is face down or face up, you will have a bright visual cue whenever someone is trying to reach you. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.